obturator foramen. Obturator foramen, that is a large foramen, or you can say large gap present in lower part of the hip bone, exactly below the acetabulum. Sequence from above to downward, outer side of the hip bone. First of all, above ilium, then acetabulum, then obturator foramen. Obturator foramen that make a gap in between anteriorly pubis and posteriorly ischium. Upper margin of obturator foramen that is formed by inferior border of superior ramus of pubis. Lower and posterior margin of obturator foramen that is formed by anterior border of body of ischium. Medial margin of obturator foramen that is formed by upper border of ischiopubic rami. Whole of the obturator foramen that is formed by part of the pubis, part of the ischium and part of the ischiopubic rami. At upper lateral part of the obturator foramen, at the level of pelvic surface or inner surface of the hip bone, there is one groove present that is known as obturator canal. Attachment over the obturator foramen. Obturator foramen that is completely closed by, or you can say boundary of obturator foramen that gives attachment to obturator membrane. But there is one gap present at the level of obturator groove that is known as obturator canal. Inner side of the obturator membrane as well as inner boundary of obturator foramen that gives origin to fibers of obturator internus muscle. Outer side, or you can say outer boundary of obturator foramen, obturator membrane that gives attachment to fibers of obturator externus muscle. Obturator canal. Obturator canal, there is a gap at the level of superior ramus of the pubis, and this canal give passage to obturator vessels and obturator nerve. These obturator vessels and nerve coming out of it and enter into medial compartment of the thigh. Obturator foramen, difference between male and female. In female, obturator foramen that is triangular in shape and it is small in size. But in male, it is oval in shape and large in size.